about percentages, fractions, and decimals, we are referring to the different ways to call or write the same value.
For example, in this picture we can see it.
A fraction is a number we need for measuring. For counting, we have left the natural numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. But when we measure something, such as a length, it not always be the whole number.
A decimal is a fraction written in a special form. Instead of writing 1/2, for example, you can express the fraction as decimal 0.5, where the 0 is the ones that place and the 5 is the tenth place.
In mathematics, a percentage is a number of radio expressed as a fraction of 100. It is often denoted using the percent sign, as you see it in here, or the aberration PCT. Sometimes the aberration PC is used in the case of quantities economics. A percentage is a dimensionless number or a poor number.
In here we can see the difference between fractions, decimals, and percentages.
To make out the process in your operations is really important because you need it so the answer will be more complete and you understand it more because the operations so you can see all the steps. Two, because if you do it like that, your operation will be more accurate and you can see it in a better way to understand it. In here we can see the dialogue that represent the relationships. This mathematical process in the future will help you because when you are big on something, you want to buy a car. So with the money you can pay and you will know how is the process of add the money so you can pay it. Two, if you want to buy something to eat, so the same, you can use the money and some equations to make it easier to pay. Two, if you're an employee of a work, like an engineer, you can use some mathematical process to make the buildings, like processes and something like that will help you a lot in the future.
Our human development has had the steering communication. This has several branches, but the larger one was the math, because with it, civilizations can evolve during time or throughout time. Mathematics had a lot of communication, and this makes sense to the things that were logical and consistent. In the year 1500, the Aztecs began using math, and thanks to this, the civilization could advance. As a proof of this, these are the different numbers of different peoples, as Roman numerals, Chinese, Aztecs, etc. In conclusion, we can clearly see that mathematics had an important role during all periods and all time.